Hello class 2. How are you children? I think you all are keeping well. So in this class we will do general knowledge. Okay. So as you all know that this is your GK book, and in the previous class we have already started chapter number 22, isn't it? And the name of the chapter is Who Does What. Okay. And here in this chapter, in that class, in the previous class, we have completed 2 exercises. Today children, you open your book at page number 3333. This is your page number 3333. Here you can see some picture. We will do exercise number 3 of the chapter Who Does What. Okay. Are you all ready? Take a pencil in your hand. I know that you all have taken a pencil. Yeah. Let me read out the question for you. Exercise 3. You have already taken out your book and copy. So, match each shop with what it says. Now we have to match the name of the shops are given, written here. In both the side, okay, you can see the picture of the items that you get in each of the shops. Okay, different types of shops name are given in the middle. Right, and in both the sides you can see the thing that they sell. Okay, now the first picture, I hope you all like it. What is this? What is this? Pastry. Yes, you all like pastries? Yes, we all like pastries, isn't it? Pastries and cakes are liked by all my children, isn't it? Now, the first picture, you see the picture of a pastry, a piece of pastry. So, in which kind of shop do we get this? Do we get pastry? Number 1, see, it's a gift shop. Do we get pastry in a gift shop? No. Then opticians. Opticians means the shop that deals with specs, such type of glasses. Okay, now and then draper, jeweler shop, cafe, chemist shop, confectioners and pet shop. So what is the name of the particular shop where we get pastry? Okay, see the shop where we get pastries, cakes, etc. or another kind of sweet dish is known as confectioners. Okay, confectioners shop. So we can find it here, say second last, confectioners, isn't it? So you will match it. Okay, from here to here, like this one is done for you, isn't it? So in the same way you will draw a line from here and end it here. Okay, match it by drawing a line this way. Clear? So your favorite confectioner's shop is Mongenes, Myanmar, isn't it? So Sugar and Spice, so many confectioners are there, and you all love to go there and have pastries, isn't it? Now come to number B. See a cute thing you can see here. These are small gifts we can give to our friends, isn't it? So where do we get such type of gifts? Suppose you are invited for a birthday party. So which kind of shop you will go? We will not go to a restaurant to buy something. We will definitely go to a gift shop, isn't it? So you will match this B with gift shop. This is gift shop, isn't it? So match it. So gift shop, this way. Done. Next one is drapers. No, next picture we'll see. Okay, B done. Now I'll move to down. C, we can see a doggy. Yeah, you all like dog. Some of you keep dog as your pet, isn't it? So where will get it? If you want to buy and keep it as your pet, so where will go to buy it? Will not go to jewelry shop, will not go to cafe also. Then we'll go to a pet shop. So see at the bottom you can find the paid shop. So you will match this one here with this. Do it with me. Number C, paid shop. Now the next picture, see, what is this? Cold coffee, I think, isn't it? Or hot coffee. So this one will get where? Where do you go to have hot tea, coffee, cold tea? Where do we go to have such kind of beverages? We go to cafe. So you will CAFE, cafe. So you match it like this. Done. Now come to E. E is already done for you. You can see bangles. Okay, so it's a golden color bangle. I think it's a golden bangle. So where do we go to buy bangles, ornaments and all? We go to a jeweler's shop. So it is already done for you. Come to F. F, here we can see some medicine, isn't it? So what do we call that shop where we get medicines? We call it what? See, search. Chemist shop, isn't it? And in common term we say we'll go to a pharmacy. Pharmacy we go now to buy medicines, and the actual word is chemist shop. Okay, so you will match it like this. This medicines with chemist shop. Number E, done. Sorry, F. Now come to G. G you can see spectacles and sunglasses, isn't it? So this is a spectacle. So where do we go to buy this? Obviously we will not go to a gift shop, isn't it? Because we go to buy, where do we go? We go to an optimist to check up for the checkup of our eyes, isn't it? Then in optician's shop we buy it, isn't it? We buy the specs or glass or sunglasses from the shop, which is known as optician's shop. Okay, so we'll match G with optician. Done. This is done. Now the last one is, see, we can see the curtains are hanging over here. Where, what do you call the shop where we get things like clothes, like curtains, pillow cover, isn't it? And in the where they're kept, they're arranged in a loose way manner. Okay, they're not packed. See the way we can see the curtain. This is a curtain. See, it is kept, it is arranged loose, isn't it? It is not packed one, it's not in a packet. So such type of shop where we go and buy objects, clothes and the fabric, isn't it, which are not kept in a packet, closed packet, okay, wrapped one, it is arranged loosely. So we go to the bedding shop, we call it, isn't it? Here in our place, this is also nearby your place in Goria, you can find so many bedding shops are there. So actually what we call it, draper shop. What we call it? Draper. Okay, so we'll match number H with draper. See the last one, D-R-A-P-E-R, draper. See. Okay, so in a draper shop we get clothes, the cloth material, fabrics, isn't it? And we use them for making covers of pillow, sofa cover, or we use those as curtains. We make curtains, isn't it, for windows and doors. So different shops have got different name according to the material they sell, according to the theme they sell. Okay, this way we have completed this page number 33. Okay, is it clear to you? Okay, so we have finished this chapter, that is chapter number 22. Go through it, learn it, and have a nice day. Thank you.